What's up, peoples? I made a video on this sucker right here, the stealth bomber, and a video on this sucker too, this starfighter, which you hold by the back, which makes it do all these crazy tricks. And then one more plane, the Goose, or the Goose. I am gonna make a plane now where we pretty much throw it like a normal plane. Here we go. We're gonna need to get one sheet of paper. One sheet of paper. Make the triangle or fold down the corners. Which looks like something like this.
What, YouTube?
Yeah, don't worry about it. We'll get to the normal part where we make the triangles. Let's see. Oh yeah. You're going to do this. Fold the triangle down. This looks something like this. Then fold the two corners down. Then you should have something like this. And you're gonna fold the corner piece and then make a mark where you guys see that, of course. You probably want to mark it too, so it's probably too bright, but you see that? You're gonna fold on that line. Then it's gonna look something like that. Then you're gonna fold it like how you would do with the normal planes, like that. So it should look something like this when you got done folding it. Then I'm gonna break it down to where you see this part, of course. Now you see this part. Alright. You're gonna fold it down like a normal plane. And then go to the other side and measure it up. Then, here comes the hard part. You're gonna get this nose part, where it makes something like that, and make what we call the inward fold. And then your plane should look something like that, the inward fold. It has a little line that goes up, and then your plane looks exactly like how it is, but instead it's got that inward fold. It's pretty much how we did it with the Starfighter, where we made that inward fold. No, I don't think it's with this one. You see? But actually we did something different besides that. But this is actually what you want to do. It'll fly perfectly, do all these crazy tricks too with it. And of course its weight is insane on the end, so it'll go like this. Trust me, it's gonna do that. But what we did was make it go up, so it'll go like this. If you wanna see, just give me 5 seconds to do this. Counting 5. Ready? Ready, set, go! 3, 2, 1. Now we're gonna test this sucker out. I'm gonna adjust the screen where you can see. Give it more lighting, and then what I tell you, it was gonna go straight. You'd fly it like a normal plane, but that's it right there. That's how you make the number 4 plane called the Messenger.